1. What are harmonics? When you play a note, for example C, you don't just hear the main frequency, the fundamental. The sound also contains additional frequencies that are multiples of the main note, called harmonics. These harmonics are what give instruments their unique tone, why a piano sounds different from a guitar, or why different voices have distinct textures.
2. What is compression? A compressor simply reduces the volume of parts of the sound that are too loud, making the overall sound more balanced and controlled.
3. So what is harmonic compression? Harmonic compression means applying compression, or dynamic processing, only to certain frequencies or harmonics of a sound. Instead of compressing the entire signal, it targets higher harmonics like the third, fifth, or seventh, and softens them.
4. Why do we use it? Sometimes a sound can become too harsh or piercing, like a vocal scream or a distorted electric guitar. This usually comes from the higher harmonics. Harmonic compression lets us smooth out just these parts without killing the energy of the main sound.
5. A simple example. Imagine a singer. When they sing softly, everything is fine. But when they hit high notes, their voice gets a harsh sizzle. Using a regular compressor right-pointing arrow compresses the whole sound and might reduce the natural energy. Using harmonic compression right-pointing arrow only controls the piercing high harmonics, keeping the voice warm, clear, and energetic.
6. Tools used. Dynamic EQ right-pointing arrow e.g. When 5 kHz gets too loud, reduce it a little. Multi-band compressor right-pointing arrow compresses only specific frequency bands. Plugins like Soothe 2 or Oak Sound Spiff, which specialize in harmonic control.
In short, harmonic compression is about controlling the intensity of specific harmonics, usually higher ones, using compression or similar tools to keep the sound natural, smooth, and pleasant to the ear.